Hello, and welcome back to Mr. Schuler's channel of math videos. First and foremost, I would like to thank all of you for watching and hope you walk away understanding mathematics a little bit more than before you pressed play. I wanted to make this video because I saw Taylor Swift try to prove the theorem of the mighty Pythagoras. Nonsense. Any true mathematician knows that one must show the algebra behind the geometry for a proof to be respectable.
Who are you, some kind of Einstein?
Now hold on. I would like to commend Miss Swift for bringing more people closer to a love of mathematics than I could ever aspire to. However, next time, bring your A game, because Dr. Einstein isn't going to let half-baked explanations suffice. That's right, Mrs. Swift. I'm calling you out. Let me show you how the proof is really done. First, start with a right triangle, where A and B are the lengths of the legs, and C is the length of the hypotenuse. Divide the triangle into two smaller right triangles by dropping an altitude down from the right angle. Let's call the point where the altitude intersects side C, D. To simplify the following argument, let us name each vertex of the original triangle according to their corresponding opposite side. Now look at the two smaller triangles we constructed. By the angle-angle similarity theorem, we can establish that all three triangles are similar, so the lengths of their corresponding sides are proportional. In other words, CA is to AD as BA is to CA. Also, CB is to BD as BA is to CB. If we use the cross products property, we can rearrange these terms. Combining the two equations using properties of equality yields CB squared plus CA squared equals BA times AD plus BA times BD. We can factor the greatest common factor BA on the right side of the equation, which allows us to use the line segment addition postulate to rewrite AD plus BD as BA. This gives us CB squared plus CA squared equals BA squared. Finally, if we rewrite these line segment lengths with their original names, we get A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Now we have the Pythagorean Theorem. Keep in mind, I proved this when I was 12 years old. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.